Okay, so today we will learn the earth. Okay, so what is earth? The earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life exists. So where does life exist? Only on the earth. Now this is possible. Why? Due to certain conditions, right? And what are those conditions? Air, land, water, and right temperature. Now we learn about these conditions. First of all, we learn about air. Okay. So the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. And what's the composition? Let's see. Now we breathe air. We all know that we breathe air. Okay. And the earth's atmosphere is made up of which gas? Nitrogen, which is 78%, oxygen, which is 21%, carbon dioxide and the other gases which form only 1%. Okay, we want to know the carbon dioxide ratio, then the percent. It's from 0.03%. Okay. Now the land. Land is referred to as a solid surface of the land mass that is used by humans for majority of the purposes, such as live and for cultivation. We all live on land, right? Our houses are built on land. We cultivate. The crops are grown in the land, right? And what is land made up of? It is made up of rocks. What does it provide us? It provides us with minerals and building materials. Now the land surface of the earth has various landforms. Now you have seen when you go to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, you see when the plane takes down over there, you see whole and all. There's only one piece of land around that there is a whole of seas, right? When you go to Digha, you see one side sea and then you have the land on the other side, but you cannot see the other side of the sea. Okay? And then you have the plateau regions also, where you see that when you go by a road, you see that there are ups and downs. In the mountain, you see there are more and more ups and downs. Like a mountain is going up. Okay, like it's going very very high. Okay, and in a plane you see everything is flat, everything is nice. Okay, and in a desert you see there are no plants, only barrenness is over there. Okay, like this. Okay, the mountains with valleys you see mountains like two mountains, and between that there is valley. Okay, the large landmasses on the earth are known as continents. There are 7 continents, and what are they? Asia, Europe, South America, Africa, North America, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay, these are. Now, water is one of the main components that makes our life possible on Earth. Every living organism depends on water for several purposes. And what are those? To drink, bath, clean. Okay? And there are 70% of Earth's surfaces which are covered with water. That's why it is known as the blue planet. Now, water is found on the surface of the Earth in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Oceans are the largest water bodies on the Earth. The 5 oceans are, what are they? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay. Now, despite of all these conditions, the right temperature is also main factor of our life. Okay. Now let's see. So just a moment.
কিন্তু ইউনিক একটা রেসিপি, আপনারা চটপট রেসিপিটা একবার দেখে নিন। আলু নারকেলের পোলাও বানাতে লাগছে বাসমতি চালের ভাত 250 গ্রাম, সিদ্ধ আলু 5 থেকে 6 টুকরো, বড় এলাচ 4টি, দারচিনি, চিনি বাদাম 50 গ্রাম, নারকেল কুচি।
So the earth is neither too far from the sun nor too close. Therefore, it has the right atmosphere. Okay, the atmosphere is the right temperature. Now, what is the shape of the earth? The earth is round in shape. It is like an orange, and it has the slight bulbs in the middle and the flat in both ends. Now see an orange, take an orange and come and then compare it to the earth. Okay, people in ancient time believed that the earth was flat, but the thinkers like Aristotle and Copernicus said that earth was round like a ball. Now what did Aristotle say? Aristotle have seen that from the earth we can see the moon, the sun. Okay, Aristotle says that okay, these are all the heavenly bodies are round, so earth must also be round. Okay, he made this. And Copernicus, what did he do? He was more cleverer, one step ahead, and he went and he used to spend the time in ports and harbors when the ship arrived. Okay, and when the ship used to arrive, what happens? First the ship stop, and then the medium portion of the ship and then the bottom of the ship could be seen. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so if the earth was flat, then all the sheep would have seen together. But here the sheep was seen. Okay, like first the deck, then the medium portion, and then the bottom was seen. Now, over 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, an explorer, proved that the earth is round. He started his voyage voyage on a ship. After 3 years, he returned to the same place from where he had started. If he was flat, then he couldn't have returned. He would fall at one place. But then he returned at the same place. Now the movements of the earth. The earth has two movements. What are they? Rotation and revolution. Now the earth spins like a top on an imaginary line known as the axis. Okay, the movement of the earth is known as rotation. What does rotation cause? Day and night. During rotation, the part of the earth faces the sun, that receives light and has a day. The part that is away from the sun in darkness is known as night. The earth, while spinning on its axis, is also revolving and moving around the sun. Okay, and in a fixed path called the orbit. Now these all are imaginary, and this movement of the earth is known as revolution. What does it cause? Different seasons. So this was our video, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button and don't forget the subscription bell. Good.